Now that you are a proud owner of Tesla Model 3, is this the perfect car with everything you ever wanted it? Well, this was the question I asked myself as I sat in my brand new Model 3. I can't help admiring its minimal, futuristic Zen design, but how functional is it? After 12 use, I noticed that there are things I would need to add to make my experience more personal and enjoyable. Well, welcome to Review by Wes, and I'm your host, Wesley. In today's episode, we will be exploring the accessories that I have added to my Model 3. And here are my top quick 7 accessory rundown that I think it's worth the investment. So let's get started. Number 7. Microfiber cloth wipes. Why, may you ask? As you can see from the video, the center console is constructed from an ABS glassy black reflective surface. As a result, any scratches, dust, and fingerprints collect on the surface become very noticeable. Wiping the surface with a microfiber cloth will reduce the chance of getting scratches during cleaning, and it is an affordable, cheap investment that will keep your console looking like new. As an alternative, there are other materials like carbon skin wraps that you can purchase to cover the surface to give it even more protection. Number 6. Center console liner. There are 3 main reasons why I got the liner. Since it's made of non-slip flexible rubber material, it also acts as a vibration dampener that will reduce the rattle noise for bottles and cups or any other things that you're holding in the console. It also makes cleaning a lot easier. Instead of needing to get into the holder, you simply lift up the liner, shake off any debris on it, or by washing it. In addition to the cup holder liner, this particular liner I purchased also comes with a set that included 2 pieces in the console organizer, 1 piece in the bottom of the console armrest, 1 piece in the tall cubby in the front seat cup holder, and 2 pieces in the rear seat cup holder. Now, the red lines on the liner also give the console a much sportier look. What do you think? Number 5. Console organizer for the tele cubby and the front cup holder. The front tele cubby is deep with plenty of storage space. However, it is not convenient when you're reaching for smaller items, especially when you're driving. This particular organizer I got has a divider for coins and 2 other sections to keep small things like pens and keys in place. Best of all, the rubber liner came already included. Number 4. Topaz holder. There are many gadgets out there to hold your topaz. I was particularly attracted to this one because of its transparent design and adaptability to other topaz. This topaz holder has 2 sides. One side is where the suction cup is located, and the other side is where you mount the adhesive grip tape. Traditionally, you will mount the grip tape directly to your windshield, but here you will mount the adhesive grip directly to the flat side of the pass holder. To get your topaz onto the holder, you simply match the side with the grip tape to hold it in place. Then press the suction cup to the panoramic roof. Voila! It's that simple. It looks clean. It doesn't look out of place. Number 3. Floor liners. Unlike traditional dealerships, all Tesla are ordered directly through Tesla's website, at showroom or from home. Now this really streamlined the buying experience, but on the flip side, you also can't negotiate for freebies anymore. Any accessory will need to be purchased separately, and the floor liner is no exception. To protect my investment, I decided to order a floor liner. This particular model of floor liner was a recommendation from a friend who also has a Model 3. I like this liner because of its rugged construction and its non-slip coating surface. Not only that, the liner has a deep lining that wraps around the entire footwell to keep the soil remain in place. The liner for the back seats is 1-piece design, but it has these extruding wall wells that goes around the entire parameter liner to keep the soil in place. The undercoating of the liner is also made of non-slip material to keep it from slipping underneath your foot. Number 2. Interior light. The OEM interior LED light is a bit dim for my taste, so I went ahead and ordered a set of new LED lights from Amazon. The order comes with a set of 4 modules of 12 volt and 3 watts each that are plug and play. These modules are fairly small, about size of 2 quarters, and based on the production descriptions, it is supposed to be brighter, but I have not had a chance to install it. I will have another video soon showing you how to install them. Number 1. In-dash-cam USB. Many drivers today are utilizing in-dash-cam as an emergency recorder to document any accident or things happen on the road. Tesla is no stranger to this feature. With its recent software release 2018.42.8, Tesla has enabled drivers to tap into its front-facing camera as an in-dash cam. To have the recording download, all you need to do is unplug one of the USB charging cable and plug in a USB stick or thumb drive. To activate this, you will need to follow the instructions shown here. I will do another video showing you how to get it done. Well, we're almost out of time here. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest reviews and updates. If you're interested in purchasing the items I have in this video, I will leave a link below. When you do make a purchase, I will receive a small percentage to help me keep making more videos like these. Until next time, enrich others with your own experience. See you soon.